I think the most important tip when using any of our AI and automation-powered measurement efficiency tools is to always optimize your image before freezing. There are several ways to do this, but I like to focus on the 4 key elements: frequency, depth, sector width, and magnification. Once you've achieved a great image, don't forget to use your auto button to fine-tune the overall brightness and contrast. After your image is fully optimized, select freeze and let the fun begin. A well-optimized image ensures greater accuracy and more reliable results. Another key takeaway: you get the final say. AI is a powerful assistant, but it doesn't replace your clinical judgment. You can always adjust caliper placement to ensure the most accurate results. Even if the initial placement isn't perfect, you still benefit from the noticeable boost in efficiency and precision, cutting down on both time and keystrokes during your scan. I'm Crystal, Women's Health Ultrasound Clinical Application Specialist, and I hope you find our measurement efficiency tools as impactful and powerful as I do.